Thomas Gries. I'm for development economics and growth at the University of Paderborn, Germany. They are not easy to solve. There are reasons why we have these problems. Therefore, we may look at the reasons. There may be also strategies for solving. However, before we don't know really why we have that, we cannot really make solutions. Education is very, very important. It is also important to look at how these violence is spread verbally. If you look at the internet, for example, I think it is easy to recruit or fight the recruitment of people who radicalize via looking at the internet, looking at the recruitment channels, of only looking at military. There may be some military needs, but before military there are other things we can, and major looking at the channels of recruitment. In my view, military action may be necessary at some stage, and maybe, but the first place there should be something like a talk, and there should be something like the recruitment channels and then the reasons why we have these radicalization.